family, friends, and viewers from across the world. Joey Jones back on the road. But first and foremost, let me say, God bless every of my subscribers, family, and friends, and viewers. It's been a tough year for many, man. And I still try to, you know, do my little videos here and there. But it's been hard. It's been hard for many of us. You know, right now I'm just here in my truck. You know, we're getting a live loaded, so I can, take a little nap on my little bed. And I'm just gonna have some breakfast soon. Just warm up my coffee. Got my little microwave, my little fridge. I don't have a lot of stuff in the fridge. A little light came up. Yeah, like, come on, like. Yeah, I don't have that much in my fridge because I'm home daily. You know, so this fridge is not that packed of food, but the one at home it is. So I really don't need to, you know, to put a lot of stuff in here. So yep, just gonna sit in my truck here. And I'm gonna show you something real quick. Okay, let's get this video started. And first, let's talk about the Qualcomm, which is the navigation. Talk about the navigation. Company trucks has a Qualcomm. Sometimes they have iPads. This is old school, you know. I consider it as an old school because of, you know, the screen is not an LED screen or nothing like that, you know. But yeah, this is a Qualcomm, and everything comes through dispatches, the messages, everything is here. You know, all the messages are there, and what I like about the navigation is that, you know, they it's when you're home daily. Actually, I like it when you're home daily. You know, sometimes the addresses are correct, sometimes the addresses are incorrect, or it does not recognize the address correctly. So what I do is I have my own personal navigation, which is the Garmin LMT lifetime map and lifetime traffic, and it helps you, you know, when you're in traffic, or, you know, it'll tell you if there's an accident on your route. You know, it'll let you know. You know, it's pretty decent, it's pretty smart. And what I like about it the most is that it's voice recognition. So for an example, voice command.
Say a command.
Find parking.
Searching for parking.
See,
select a line number.
It gives you a list of, you know, what's open for trucking, you know. Exit. So then another thing is that voice command.
Say a command.
Weather.
The temperature is 61 degrees.
See, now in order to get them features, you have to download. Let me show you right now. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. And to get them features, you need to get the Garmin Smart Link, which is that one there. You need to get that here to get them features. You know what I like about this is that it has a lot of stuff. You know, this will help you right here find, you know, locations and dispatch, weather. It has a lot of things. But what I like about it the most is that, you know, say for an example, you need to find an address. I have an address right here next to me. So what you do is you type in the address. Say for an example that, you know, you're driving, you're frustrated, you don't find the address, and this happens too. I'm gonna show you for an example. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. You know, watch this. The address is invalid, or there's insufficient information to calculate your route. You know, sometimes you get that here too. So because it's not recognizing the address. So then real quick, what I want to show you here is, you see this? Look at this. That's an extra. This right here, that means that we're ready. So then what I do is, let me come back again. Okay, find nearby places. Let me type in an address that I have here, which is the 401. I'm gonna show you. Which is Road, New Jersey. Search for it. There it is. So watch this. So then it'll zoom in, and it's decent because it's connected to Google. So then right there, either you can send it, share it, or save it. You can share it with whoever or save it. Now send it means that when you send it, see, just press go, and there it is. It's easy. Send the location. See, it's pretty decent, you know.
Please drive to highlight.
And yes, I am getting the live loaded, and I use the iPad Pro cellular. You know, this right here, you know, you do. It's like having another cell phone. It doesn't, you know, you can't, you know, make phone. You can make phone calls on it, but you have to download other couple things, you know, on it. And but yeah, you can text. You can say, and I'm receiving text messages, you know, on the iPad. Everything you do is multitask. If you, whatever you do on your phone, the iPad recognizes it, and it'll say, why don't you do it here? And then yeah, so then I do all my videos. I edit everything here, and this is a pretty decent thing to have, you know. On iPads, again, it's a cellular. You do have to pay for, you know, you get a SIM card, you go to Metro, T-Mobile, AT&T, get an SD card and connect it. You know, it's like having two cell phones. So this is how I edit all my videos here as I'm doing a live loader. And yes, I use Luma Vision to edit all my videos. All right, my peoples. So I gotta go. They already buzzing me. So I'll keep you in my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. I'll put the link on the bottom, you know, which is the Garmin 580 LMT. And, I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Later.